flight test stick.
Yeah, this wind's swirling everywhere.
I'll keep the basket between me and it.
Yeah, the sun.
Me to wait until about 6 p.m.
You may have to.
What? For the wind? For the sun? Yeah.
Yes. The wind and the sun. Good point.
Whoa.
Look at that.
That was me. Just a little squirrely.
It's not a slow stick.
Oh, that's right. Too twitchy. Right. Oh.
I saw somebody took a Bloody Baron and double-sized it.
Not a bad flying model.
Right.
It's an old balsa kit that used, but it was exactly the same. It's called the Sig Wonder.
Hmm.
And
Yeah, it happened. I think it was on the flight test forum. Somebody put that up at 200%. Oh, now it's coming from over there again. Timber doesn't do that.
Can't do that with the sun.
yeah, it's like right there, isn't it?
Come this way. Yeah, this thing's so overpacked.
Crabbing down the way. I want to see you do that with the space fighter.
Yeah, it should bring it this way.
Yeah, well, that in a long time.
Yeah. It's not my favorite style. It's so weird.
It is weird. Allison says, how does it fly?
There you are. Almost as crazy.
No flat spins though.
Yeah, where's the wind? Not the same, but I would agree. That's me. Yeah,
Wow, nice.
that's a big one.
Is it?
I stole that from. That's why I crash all the time. I guess most of the time it works. Yeah, not always.
Please like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications of future flight test flights as well as other planes. Thanks for watching. Really appreciate it, and comments are greatly appreciated too.